Mahal di kayong gold oil.
Niyawat tingin ito mahal.
Pwede na kaslun. Let's na. Hi ma'am, good day, good afternoon. So you're here to pick up na your
Rings po.
wedding rings? Yes. So this is Ma'am Fritz and Sir Ken. Hello sir, welcome. Check natin, fit natin. This is the wedding ring of ma'am. What about kay sir? Check natin kay sir. Left po. Left tayo na nag-size. Yay! Sakto. Pwede na kaslun. Let's na. Ano sa wedding, ma'am?
Next year pa po.
Next year pa. Albi kayong gold oil.
Niyawat ganyan, di pa mahal.
Bank transfer po?
Oo.
Sige po. Here po. Anong bank ka, ma'am?
BPI.
Ito po. Here is your wedding ring na. Ika-close ko na, ha? At least the size is okay na. So, it comes with a free cleaning lifetime. In terms of free size down, it's free. Free size down. In terms of free size up, add lang tayo ng gold konti. Okay? Usually, mga 800 for today's price. And then, what's in here is your card from us. We hope to get feedback and a certificate po na galing sa amin, and including all the details. It also includes your wife's and jewelry care card. So, in case may concern kayo sa ring, message lang, ma'am, ha? Screenshot lang ako, ma'am, niya isend sa, ma'am?
Send lang ako.
Apa, sa page po. Ano, engrave? Wala
pa.
Wala pa, no?
Pwede lang naman
Yeah.
ipabalik sunod.
Free naman po na. So, thank you so much. Wanna learn more golden tips? Follow us for more. Thank you guys for watching and stay golden.